Android widgets are small apps that you can place on your home screen. They let you access useful information and functions without opening the full app. For example, you can see the weather forecast, control your music player, check your calendar events, or launch a shortcut with just a tap on a widget. Widgets come in different shapes and sizes, and you can customize them to fit your preferences and style. You can also stack multiple widgets on top of each other to save space and swipe through them easily. This way, you can create a personalized and dynamic home screen that suits your needs and interests. In this video, I will show you how to stack Android widgets like a pro and make the most of your home screen experience. You will learn how to choose the best widgets for your purposes, how to arrange them in a neat and attractive way, and how to use them efficiently and effectively. By the end of this video, you will be able to create your own widget stacks and impress your friends with your skills. In this section, I will show you how to find, add, resize, and remove widgets on your Android device. Widgets are small app icons that display useful information or shortcuts on your home screen. They can help you access your favorite apps faster, see important notifications at a glance, or customize your device with different themes and styles. To find widgets on your Android device, you need to long press on an empty space on your home screen. A window will pop up with 4 options: wallpaper, themes, widgets, and home screen settings. Tap on widgets to see a list of all the available widgets based on the apps you have installed on your device. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find a specific widget. To add a widget to your home screen, you need to long press on the widget you want and drag it to an empty space on your home screen. You can also swipe left or right to move between different home screens. Once you have placed the widget where you want it, release your finger from the screen. Some widgets may ask you to configure some settings before they start working, such as choosing an account or a location. To resize a widget on your home screen, you need to long press on the widget until you see a white box with circular adjustment markers around it. You can drag these markers in or out to make the widget smaller or larger, depending on how much space you want it to take up. You can also move the widget around by dragging it inside the box. When you are done resizing and repositioning the widget, tap on a space outside the box to save your changes. To remove a widget from your home screen, you need to long press on the widget until you see a trash icon at the top of the screen. Drag the widget to the trash icon and release your finger from the screen. The widget will be deleted from your home screen. This will not uninstall the app that the widget belongs to, but it will free up some space for other widgets or apps. That's how you can find, add, resize, and remove widgets on your Android device. Widgets are a great way to personalize your device and make it more functional and convenient. You can experiment with different widgets and see which ones suit your needs and preferences best. One of the coolest features of Android widgets is the ability to stack them on top of each other and create a scrolling collection of widgets that you can customize and interact with. In this section, I'm going to show you how to use the stack widget to create your own widget stack and make your home screen look awesome. The stack widget is a special type of widget that allows you to layer multiple widgets on top of each other and control their position and size. You can also add animations and gestures to your widget stack to make it more dynamic and interactive. To use the stack widget, you need to follow these steps. 1. Create a new widget class that extends the AppWidgetProvider class and override the onUpdate method. 2. In the onUpdate method, create a remote views object that represents the layout of your widget. You can use any layout file that you want, but make sure it has a stack view as the root element. 3. The stack view is a container that holds the items of your widget stack. You need to set its attributes, such as Android min height, Android min width, Android padding, etc., to define its appearance and behavior. 4. To populate the stack view with items, you need to create a remote view service class that implements the remote views factory interface. This class is responsible for creating and updating the views for each item in your widget stack. 5. In the Remote View Service class, override the onCreate, onDataSetChanged, getCount, getViewAt, getLoadingView, getViewTypeCount, getItemID and hasStableIDs methods. These methods define how many items your widget stack has, what data they display, how they look and how they respond to user actions. 6. In the getViewAt method, create a remote views object for each item in your widget stack. You can use any layout file that you want, but make sure it has a frame layout as the root element. 7. The frame layout is a container that allows you to position and size your item views within the stack view. You need to set its attributes, such as Android layout_gravity, Android layout_width, Android layout_height, etc. to define its position and size relative to the stack view. 8. To add animations and gestures to your widget stack, you need to use the setOnClickFillInIntent and setOnClickPendingIntent methods of the Remote Views object. These methods allow you to specify what action should happen when the user taps or swipes on an item in your widget stack. 9. To update your widget stack with new data or changes in appearance, you need to use the AppWidgetManager class and its UpdateAppWidget method. This method allows you to update one or more widgets with new Remote Views objects. 10. To test your widget stack, you need to add it to your home screen by long pressing on an empty space and selecting Widgets from the menu. Then find your widget in the list and drag it to your desired location. That's it. You have successfully created a widget stack using the Stack widget. You can now enjoy scrolling through your widgets and interacting with them on your home screen. You can also customize your widget stack further by changing its layout, data source, animations and gestures. The possibilities are endless.